So hi one and all, I welcome you once again to continue with this lead code session. So we are just discussing the two-sum problem here. So let me move on to the problem now. See, here is the code which they have given for this two-sum. This can be implemented through C language or C++ or Java or Python or anything. So in the last video I told about the importance of lead code and how the companies preferred about lead code, how students are having this creative skill or technical skill, how they are focusing mainly on the logic, and even they will check the time complexity on which they are giving the solution for each and every problem. So let me concentrate on this coding now. So initially we have created a function called as int star two-sum. Two-sum is your title name, so I have used the same title as function name as two-sum. And we have two variables here. One is number and the next one is target value. So I have given it as an integer, and since it is number, I should mention the size as well. Since you are using array, the numbers it can be from 0 to 5 or 0 to 10 or 0 to 20. It's up to the user level. And what is the return size I need? So we need to implement 4 variables here, and the next step is, and I need to mention since we are using array, since the size may be changed, I should use the dynamic memory allocation here. So I am using the memory allocation which is called as malloc, and since it is of type integer, the size will be 2 cross, the size of integer will be 2 bytes. Okay, and the next step is, I just want to compare the first index value, say for example 2, that is the value is 2 and the index is 0, the value is 7 and the index is 1. I'm just comparing it, taking 2 value as ith variable and second index 7 value as the jth variable, jth index. So I am using here 2 loops. That is for int, your I count always starts with 0 if it depends on the program, and I'm checking the size of the array with the number size, and I'm just, if the condition is satisfied, it will move on to the next step, and your next jth index value will be I incremented by 1 always. So I'm again checking j is less than or equal to number size, and if that number size plus number j, num I plus num j is equal to the target value, means I'm just, if the condition satisfy here, I'm just moving the I value to result of 0 and the j value to the result of 1, and I'm just returning the size is equal to 2 here. So that's what the program mean to say. If you add 2 index value, it should reach to the target value. So that's what about the program logic here. So here is the test case, and probably lead code is meant for your program is correct if and only if any one of the test case has been cleared. So normally they will have 3 cases. Here have shown you the result of the test case 1 here. So my target value is 9. So if I add the index value 0 and index value 1, where 2 plus 7, I can reach the value as 9 here. So this is what the program says about lead code. So in the forthcoming program, the next program what I am going to share with you is the explanation part of this one. So what is the explanation so far which I have told here is function definition with parameters. The second line is there is the allocation of memory, and the first loop is for the ith value, and the second loop is for the remaining number of elements in the index. and here we are just going to check whether the two sum is equal to the target value or not. And the next line is meant for storing the first index, and the second one is meant for storing the second index value, and we are just going to return the size, and at last we are going to display the result. So how many parentheses you are opening, those many parentheses you want to close. So that's what about the two sum problem here. In the forthcoming videos, we will just discuss more problems on LeetCode. Thank you.